Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 10-inch wooden tray that I got from Michael's, as well as these 20mm half-round wood beads from Amazon. I take the 4 wooden beads and hot glue them to the bottom. I then paint the entire thing with linen colored chalk paint by Folkart. I then take some 12mm half-round wood beads, also from Amazon, apply some tacky glue to the bottom of each of those, and then place them around that top rim of the tray. Now you can do this before you paint the tray, whatever you find is easier. I decided to put them on after I painted it and then just go back and touch those up with the same paint. And then I'm taking these rub-on transfers. They're by Timeless Designs and you can get them from Amazon. I cut off a section, removed the backing, and placed it down on the center of the tray, and then just used the little stick it comes with to rub on the image. And then start peeling up the film from the front, nice and slow, to make sure that everything is stuck down. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.